Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in toy reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of heroes of Goo JIT Zu with their exciting Deep Goo C Battle Pack. Get ready for an epic showdown between good and evil with these exclusive figures. Are you ready to embark on an underwater adventure like no other? Well, look no further than the heroes of Goo JIT Zu Deep Goo C Battle Pack. This set brings you two exclusive figures, Ice Blast Blazigon and Horrorglow, ready to battle it out in the depths of the Deep Goo Sea. First up, we have Ice Blast Blazigon, armed with an incredible Ice Blast attack feature. Squeeze his head, and watch as water blasts out, freezing his enemies in their tracks. With a super crunchy texture and the ability to stretch up to 3 times his size, Ice Blast Blazigon is ready to take on any challenge. But wait, lurking in the depths is Horrorglow, the villainous anglerfish with X-ray bones. With his super oozy filling and intimidating appearance, Horrorglow is a force to be reckoned with. Will his X-ray bones give him the upper hand in battle? You'll have to get your hands on this pack to find out. What sets the heroes of Goo JIT Zu Deep Goo C Battle Pack apart is not only its exclusive figures but also its high-quality design and attention to detail. These figures are not just toys. They're immersive characters that will ignite your child's imagination and provide hours of entertainment. And the fun doesn't stop there. With the ability to stretch up to 3 times their size and return to their original shape, these figures offer endless possibilities for creative play. Whether your child is reenacting epic battles or inventing their own adventures, the heroes of Goo JIT Zu Deep Goo C Battle Pack delivers excitement at every turn. So, if you're looking for the ultimate Goo-filled adventure, look no further than the heroes of Goo JIT Zu Deep Goo C Battle Pack. With its exclusive figures, unique features, and endless play possibilities, it's sure to make a splash in your child's toy collection. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews of the hottest toys on the market. Until next time, happy playing!